I'm here on a typical Alberta roof to talk about this thing. What is this thing? Well, it's a roof vent. And roof vents are very important to bring fresh air into attics. If you didn't have that, the air would get stale, damp, and mold would grow in your attic. You don't want that. But what's really interesting about roof vents is they take advantage of a natural heat transfer process that brings fresh air into the attic and vents it out the top. And that natural process is convection. Let's take a close look at how convection works. Depending on the season and weather, the attic of a house will be heated in different ways. There could be heating from the sun, and there also may be heating from the rooms below. In either case, it's important that fresh air circulate through the attic, and with help from the right venting, convection makes this possible. Because hot air rises, air that is warmed in the attic leaves through the roof vent. Now this bulk movement of particles carrying heat energy is convection. However, hot air rising is not enough by itself to keep our attic in fresh air. For that, we need the air to circulate. Most attics have venting near the bottom in order to allow fresh air to enter. So as the hot air leaves the attic at the top, cool air is drawn in at the bottom to replace it. What we now have is the beginning of a convection current. A good way to visualize a convection current is with water that is heating on a stove. As particles are heated, they move faster and further apart. This makes the heated water become less dense and move upward. Cooler, slower moving particles at the top and sides of the pot are closer together and more dense, so they sink, replacing the heated water that is moving upward. This movement up the middle and down the sides results in circular currents, convection currents. It's interesting to observe convection in nature. For example, storm clouds form due to hot air from the surface convecting upwards, carrying moisture and building the cloud higher and higher. When enough of that moisture reaches the cold upper atmosphere, the particles lose heat energy, move closer together, and rain or even hail can come crashing back down to Earth as part of a thunderstorm. So next time you see a bird flying higher without flapping its wings, or a glider soaring through the air, think about the role convection might be playing.